Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne guys. Porsche Cayenne first generation, that should cover the years 2002 to 2010. And if your alarm siren guys is bad, is going bad, eventually what happens, it gets super weak and eventually it dies. We'll explain guys what needs to be done to replace it. Now we'll cover every little detail, explain how to get to it, because many people asked us how do you remove the fuse box, okay, to get to the siren. So we'll explain what needs to be done. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you'll find the information helpful. Now it's very important how you do the job, because if you mess up any of the wires, okay, your car may not start, you may not even be able to figure out what's wrong, because okay, it's a big chaos here and we'll explain why. Now you will need to open the hood of your vehicle. First guys, okay, you will need to disconnect your car battery. Okay, car battery will need to be disconnected. So we have the video on the channel if you want to check it out how to do that. We have it, it explains everything from start to finish. Then you have two plastic screws that you need to turn, you remove that cover. After that now guys, okay, we removed all that, but we're going to show you what we're talking about. Here guys, on top we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws with Torx 20, 25 or 30, Torx 30, that we need to remove guys. Once you remove that cover, you have your fuse box, okay. Let's explain, okay, how that fuse box is actually guys, okay, put together in your vehicle. It's a quite complicated thing actually guys. So okay, let me see which way it goes. You're going, let me see how it goes exactly. So the fuse box will be actually like that put together. You're going to have all the different cables on top that you need to disconnect. How you do that, you're going to spread it on each side and pull them out, each one of them. Okay, so we have 4 here and you have 4 right there. Now how we guys took all that apart, okay, a little bit complicated. Once you disconnect all your wires, here guys, you're going to have, okay, more screws. Okay, let me show you what the screws look like. Let's just get one. Okay, it's a gold screw with Torx 20 guys. Torx 20 gold screw, okay, like that. And these screws, okay, they go in these holes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 guys, 5 screws all together. Once you remove those screws guys, you will be able to pull your fuse box, relay modules apart from each other. Okay, usually this one will be attached to this one here, so you need to press on this side in, pull up a little bit, and you need to pull up, push in on this side, pull up, that thing will come out. Then the next one will come out the same way, and the big one will come last guys. You have 2 clips on this side and 1 on this side here, and you will be able, okay, you will be able to pull that module out, okay, those fuse box and relay box out. Now you have to be extremely careful, because if you pull any wires, what will happen, you can damage it, you will not know where it came from, and that could be catastrophic guys for your vehicle. With all that being out of the way now, okay, now I'm going to show you what we will be doing here. Okay, let me grab the light quick so we can reposition. Okay, we're going to pull those guys up a little bit. Okay, it's not going to work like that. We need to pull them up. Okay, like that. And now down there guys, this is your alarm control module. Now that thing is with actually, okay, it is with 13mm socket. Okay, let me show you. 13mm socket with pre-loosen ours. You might have a small siren or a bigger one like ours, depending. And this is the connector. That connector, you pry right here, push back, and you're going to pull it out, but I will need both hands, so okay, let me show you now. Okay, let's somebody hold the camera quick, okay, like that. And I'm going to remove it with 2 hands. So push it in. Okay, it looks like this thing is holding pretty big. Okay, and your alarm, guys, control module right here, everything with the siren will come out. Okay, like that. So you can see that's how you guys remove it and where it's located. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you doing that work. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.